Drake. They think he's a wiener, but
I don't think a lot of people realize that you are.
I don't know anything about flying a freaking white body. Japan was in front row decades ago, where it was just pitch up angle, can't climb, and then just crash.
And his landing gear was still down.
Like, there's no step. Right after departure.
Ooh, that feels so good. I was so hungry. Sanbanan, guys, hope you're good. I am back home. It's Friday. I left home earlier than I should have today because they have a workshop. So I'm not going to that workshop. So I had to come back home. Every term, our school, most schools, I don't know whether it's our province thing or it's generally across all Korean schools, but every term they go on a workshop, like a colleagues workshop, and they usually spend 2 days, 1 night. Those, I think it's like, I'm not sure what happens because I've never attended those workshops ever since I started working here. And honestly speaking, I don't want to. I don't wish to go to any of these workshops. I think the dinners, the hueshuks are enough for me. I don't think I would want to spend a whole 2 days and 1 night with my colleagues. Love them to bits. I really love them, but there is no way. There is no way. The thought of it gives me so much anxiety. Excuse me. But yeah, they went there. I really hope they enjoy it and it's safe. I thank God for the ability, to say no. Like, I will say no. If I'm not happy with something, best believe I'm not. I have a choice of not doing it, I'm not gonna do it. When my co-teacher asked me if I want to join, well, she invited me to join, and I was like, do I have to? And she was like, no, you don't have to. I was like, nah, then I will not go. Thank you. I'll pass, because I'd rather sleep than to spend an extra hour with my colleagues. I love them, but shame, no ways. But anyways, I hope you guys are doing well. And yeah, I'm just really tired. I'm going to sleep. I'm not sure how this weekend is gonna go. There isn't any plans. I don't have any plans. So, and it's gonna be raining, I believe. So I'm not sure how this weekend is gonna go. But right now I'm just gonna rest. It's going to 1 p.m. I'm lying. It's actually going to 12:30 because I arrived here at 11:30. It's going to 12:30, and I am going to go sleep and wake up later on to go to the gym, I believe, and then I just call it a night. We're probably gonna we're watching this new, it's not new, but it's new to us, the series. We're watching Yellowstone. Yeah, our friend recommended it to us, so we're watching that series. It's so nice. I also just finished watching Sirens. I enjoyed it. I wish there were more seasons. I wish there were more seasons, because I think it's really, really new. So it has just 1 season, so it was really nice. I enjoyed it. So if you want to try watching it or want to check it out, please do. It's on Netflix. And there's that. So tonight we're going to watch an episode of Yellowstone. The storyline is so good. But yeah, Nkatel, what's coming Yolala? So we'll later on and see what we can do.
you calling me?
As soon as he stepped out, it just started pouring. Oh my god, it literally just started pouring like cats and dogs. Oh my goodness.
You're recording me.
Going back.
If she wasn't a famous singer, she probably would be in care.
Babe, I need No, it's okay. Should I turn it back?
Hey, whoa! Hey! Whoa! Hey, man! Get out of here!
Time to go.